Hello real traders, welcome to my channel. So sorry I didn't post this day because I was busy. Okay, you can see a bearish momentum here and you can see a bars entry and there is a rejection. So let's wait for this candle to close. Okay, the candle made a new high here. You can see, okay, this is a strong candle. So I place here a higher option because as you can see here in this uptrend, the market reversed in middle of the trend. You can see this is market movement and it's reversed in the middle of the trend. Okay, so it reversed in the middle of the trend and we have our confirmation. You can see this candle and the next sellers are here, so it will go up and you can see a buyer's pressure on this candle and there is no upper rejection, so it means there is no sellers and it will go up. Okay, you can see it's going up and you can join in my channel. Okay, it is a downtrend. Okay, we can go with sellers, I think, and you can join in my channel and we will post some pics of trades. Okay, I place here a lower option so you can join and it will be useful for your trades. Okay, you can see this market is going down. The market moved like this. Okay, and you can see it didn't respect the previous level and it broke easily the levels. You can see, so here it will broke also and it will go down and the next buyers will be here, so it will go down from this level. Okay, you can see it's going down. So you can join in my channel, the link is in the video description below. Okay, here you can see the market is going down strongly. Okay, here we can go with the sellers because as you can see in this area, okay, you can see in this area the buyers will be here and it is a downtrend, and you can see in this small market we have a red green pattern. You can see this pattern here, the red green, so the next candle will be a red one, and you can see here a spinning top. You can see a candle like this, so we can see again a spinning top, so we can expect a candle again like this. So this candle will reject. Okay, you can see a rejection from sellers here, so it will reject and it will go down. Okay, it's a win as you can see. Okay, let me change the chart. Okay, let me draw the level. Okay, the bars enter from this level. You can see this rejection point. Okay, here there is another level also. The bars enter strongly from this level. Okay, let's wait for this candle. Okay, the next sellers will be here, so let's wait for this candle. I think it will go up at least to that level. Okay, I place here a higher option because the next sellers are here on this area and the market engulf, but because of momentum it again sellers enter, but again it engulf the sellers. It is a bullish engulfing and with a new high and the sellers are above and it is a reversal sign at the support level, so the buyers will enter from this level and at least to this level, and it will reject from this level and it will go up again at least to that level. Okay, you can see a rejection from the level, and it is going up. Okay, so you can join on channel. We post some pictures about trading and it will helpful for you, and the link is in the description below. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.